Hello, fifth graders. If you're coming down here to the computers, then you finished all your work in class. Congratulations. And while you're here, you're going to get to explore a new website that I just learned about called Wonderopolis. It is the coolest website ever. A few of your classmates have already kind of seen a preview of it, and now you get to play with it too. So I appreciate that you're watching this really short video on how to work it and how to find it, and then you're going to get to play around on it. First of all, when you go to Wonderopolis, you'll pull up your Google Chrome, and in your Google Chrome, you're just going to type in wonderopolis.org. We've attached the address to a card that you have, so don't mess up your spelling, get it there. There's nothing else that you have to type, no wwws or http back, none of that's going on. Just get to wonderopolis.org. And when you do, it comes up on this page. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that every page has a big video on it. Now, some of these videos are very short, like this one, that's 6 seconds. Some of them are a little bit longer. And what you're going to notice is this is the wonder of the day for today. What each page offers is a have you wondered, oops, sorry about that, have you wondered with why do rainbows appear, what color is sunshine, where is the end of the rainbow? There's some picture galleries. Anytime the little finger comes up, that's a place that you can click. You're not going to share your own media, but you can watch the little video. So if you come over here to play and push play, you can see that rainbow build in and disappear. Pretty cool. The other thing you can do is if you want to play it, but you want it on the big screen, you can go to this little icon, hit enter full screen, and now you have it really big. Just remember that ESC is how you escape full screen. And that's on the top bar to your very left-hand side. You'll have to hit that little button with your finger. Now, over here with the gray bar, you're going to click and drag down, and you have text. Now, you have two options with your text over here on this side. You can read the text. If all you're doing is reading the text, if you hover over the words that have outlines, you know, those little dotted things underneath them, underline, and they're outlined with another color is blue, then you can hover over it, you'll get the finger again, and it'll give you the definition. The first time you see the word, it's in blue. After that, it's just underlined. But all the way through, anytime the word comes up, you can see the definition. These are the words that are also listed over here on the right-hand side under Wonder Words. And you can also hover over them. They highlight and change color, and you get the exact same definition. So these are two ways if you forget what a word means or you don't understand a word. Now, some of you might not want to read the text. I know how you are. So one of the options you can do is to listen to it. You can click on this little icon, this little play button, and if you click on it, you're going to be able to listen.
Sunshine. When we see the light of the sun streaming through the windows, it appears colorless. Even though we can't see it, this white light is actually made up of many different colors of light. Each of these colors...
Alright, so that was our little preview. You can hit the stop button to stop it, or you can hit the play button to pause it. So that's a way to listen to it. There's also a volume key if you're having trouble with volume. Don't click on anything else. That's not what you need to worry about. You can close it back up, but you really don't need to. However, once the reader has read it, you can no longer hover and get a definition. It will highlight the word in a different color, but it will not give you the definition anymore. So if I still wanted to know the definition of light, now I would have to go over to the Wonder Words to see that definition. At the very bottom of it, at the end of the text, there's a Did You Get It? You can click on the Did You Get It? And it offers you up a little start quiz of questions. So you could say, apparently I didn't read this, and I got the first one wrong, but I can go down until I get it correct, and it'll give me a check, and you go on. There's only 3 questions to this quiz, and then you can find out and get your results. I don't want my results because I only answered one question, or I can close it. This is the exact same quiz that's right here on the right side. You can see, again, the little light bulb. However, if you take it over here on the right side, you get some nice music. Fancy. Now, the other thing, the last thing actually that I really want you to pay attention to is wonder words and the wonder word challenge. If you have time in your limit down here, you can always take the wonder word challenge. It's just a matching, and since the vocabulary is so important, you are more than welcome to do this little quiz. So if I want to know about, if I say I think I know what air is, a mixture of gases, then I would get great job next word. But if I didn't know what vivid meant, I would get a not quite. I'd have to try again. Vivid. Oh, whoops, not that one. Try again. Oops, not that one. Try again. And so on until I got it right. You can also quit this as well. All right. So this is the wonder of the day. But say, for instance, you don't care about why rainbows appear. That doesn't interest you. You have another option when you're down here. And that is to go over here to this compass and click on the Explore Wonders. If you click on the Explore Wonders, it gives you a page of previous wonders that have come up that you are more than welcome to click on and find out. If you want to know how cars are made, if you want to know what are hieroglyphics, about dolphins using echolocation. I know that if you were really looking carefully, you saw up here a little boy and you went, who invented the toilet? Everybody wants to know who invented the toilet. Go ahead, find out. Why can't every animal be a pet? For you baseball fans, spring training. Right now, tornadoes are a big interest. So these are all the things that you can, GT might want to read about what was the Holocaust. These are some places that you can read and listen. You can also go to the next page and get a whole other set of wonders as well. Since we're short on time right now, these are your two buttons. Explore Wonders or Wonder of the Day. These are the two buttons that you will be allowed to click. If Miss Berrigan or Miss Collier comes over and you're in other places, they're going to send you back to class and let me know, and you may not get to come back again. So please enjoy Wonderopolis. If you want to play with the other places, this is a perfectly safe website that you can use at home, wonderopolis.org. Have fun exploring.